Hello everyone, my name is Edma Thapa and I do White Hat Junior. So today you will learn how to create your own game, And for starting it, first I have given this link to start in the description box below. So click on it, then you can click on Remix. And those who do White Hat Junior needs to click on Start Project, and then in How It Works button, and then Remix. You need to sign in, but I am already signed in, so I don't need to sign in. First, you always need to run and check. So when you move your arrow keys, it's not happening. So that is the thing you need to do. So now we'll go to the events and get these 4 times events. We'll get these 4 times. Yeah, so this should be down, this should be left, and this should be right. We don't need the space one. Now we get all these like here, giving this much space every time. Now go to the actions, and over here it is written move this 10 pixels north. You need to get this here, and you're going to change this to Sam's drone. So this is Sam's drone. I can rename it as Sam's drone and create. So this is Sam's drone, the red one. We're going to play with this, and with this computer is going to play. So 10 pixels, yeah, north, and this should be written 100, and then go again to the actions, and then get these also 4 times. Actions, actions, and the third option over here. Now what you need to do is right. So right is east, left is west, and down is south. So let's just run and check. Oh, also we need to change this to 100 first, and you need to get this as Sam's drone, which is this red one. Otherwise the drone will not move. This rabbit would have moved, which is not here in this game. Now this is moving, and when you crash it's nothing happening. So we need to do something when it's crashing. See, it's happening nothing. You can just do it and there's no score point. And we don't need any score point in it. So we'll go here in this text you'll go and there is this show title screen. You can come here and go to this location, yes, events, and get this. When the rabbit touches the carrot, it's an event, so we don't need to join. And these, so when left pressed, when right pressed, when up pressed, when down pressed, these are also events, so we don't need to join them with anything. So now we'll get this show title screen with it, and we'll write in it in caps locks, oops, no, oops, and then in the subtitle we're going to write Y capital only. Okay, full capital. And you lost it. What you can do, you can just do like you lost it, or also you can get this lost like capital so that it is, yeah. Now we need to run and check when this touches. It's not happening right now too, because when we have done it, so these both characters are not there in this game. So we're going to get this like here, and this is John's drone. So when Sam's drone touches John's drone, it's game over. Now see it's happening. If you again touch it, don't play it because it's now game over. You can get any, so you can do any game just like this coding. It is really easy and you should try it too. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe me.